Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok followers all at once. Steps are pretty easy. Please watch this video carefully. Without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, open your TikTok app. Once you tap on profile, you come to this section where you can see your followers. Well, my followers are not that much, but some followers, some of you have followers of many, 100 millions or 10 millions, 1k or something like that. But if you want to delete all together all at once, it is difficult. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that. So what you do is, first of all, on the top right corner you can see a three dash line. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will pop up with this section where you can see setting and privacy. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you come to this section where you can scroll down until you find report a problem. Simply tap on report a problem, and once you do that, scroll down to find submit a reports. Simply tap submit a report, and once you go to submit a report, you have to submit a report here. So what you do is simply write here, hello TikTok support, I need to delete my followers all at once. Could you please solve this problem? And submit after you write this, tap on submit, and once you tap on submit, it will definitely get back to you in 24 hours, or it will delete all your followers in 24 hours, or maybe 1 to days. After doing this, go back and again go to privacy. Again go back to three dash line on the top right corner, and what you do is go to setting and privacy, and make sure that go to privacy and make sure that this on discoverability, private account and active status is on. And once you do that, you can delete TikTok followers all at once. Please follow this instruction very carefully, and you can simply delete TikTok followers all at once with the help of TikTok support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you still find any issue, please don't forget to comments below so that we can solve your issue in another video.